How do bloggers make money in their sleep? And is it something that you could do? Most advice out there is either confusing, incomplete, or just plain unrealistic. That's why I'm here today, to walk you through a step-by-step process for setting up a fully automated blog using AI. And yes, when you do it right, this kind of blog can make $20,000 a month. It won't happen overnight, but I'll show you how to build the foundation and get things rolling. Step 1. Select a niche on Google News. A niche is just the main topic your blog will focus on. For example, health, personal finance, or tech gadgets. But don't just pick any random topic. You need a niche that people are already interested in, and that also gives you ways to make money. Think about it. If you choose something like celebrity gossip, sure, you might get some clicks, but how are you going to make money? Ads alone won't cut it, especially when they pay pennies per click. For this tutorial, we'll stick with the health niche. Why health? Because it's evergreen. People will always be searching for health tips, new diets, fitness routines, and ways to improve their well-being. Plus, it's super easy to monetize. You can promote fitness programs, supplements, or even health gadgets like fitness trackers. Once you've decided on your niche, the next step is finding ideas for content. This is where Google News comes in. If you've never used Google News, it's a hub for the latest news and trending topics from all over the internet. Go to the Google News website and click on the health section. Spend a few minutes scrolling through the headlines and you'll see what's trending right now. For example, you might notice articles about the latest weight loss trends, mental health tips, or new studies on nutrition. These are gold mines for blog ideas because they show you exactly what people are searching for. Now, here's a little trick. Copy the URL of the health section from your browser. This is the link we'll use to pull content into your automated system. Don't worry if this feels a little technical. I'll take you through every step. Step 2. Set up an RSS feed. Next, we're going to use a tool called RSS.app. If you're new to this, RSS stands for Really Simple Syndication. It's a way to automatically collect updates from websites. Head over to RSS.app and create a free account. Once you're logged in, you'll see an option to create a new feed. This is where you'll paste the Google News URL you copied earlier. Hit Generate, and RSS.app will create a feed filled with the latest health news articles. Save this feed and copy the RSS link it gives you. This will be the backbone of your automation system. Step 3. Automate content with make.com and ChatGPT. This is where we use tools to connect everything so that blog posts get written and published without you lifting a finger. For this, we're going to use a platform called make.com. It's a tool that lets you create automation workflows. If that sounds complicated, don't worry. It's actually pretty simple, and I'll break it down step by step. Start by signing up for a free account on make.com. Once you're in, look for the option to create a new scenario and click on it. A scenario is just their way of saying a series of steps that happen automatically. The first step in your scenario is to add an RSS module. Paste the RSS feed link from RSS.app into this module and set the trigger to start fetching articles immediately. Next, we need to rewrite those articles into unique blog posts. This is where AI comes in. You'll need an OpenAI account to access ChatGPT, which is the tool that will do the rewriting. Sign up for OpenAI and get your API key. This key is what connects ChatGPT to make.com. Once you have it, add the OpenAI module to your scenario. You'll set it up to take the articles from the RSS feed and rewrite them as original blog posts. To make sure the content is high quality and optimized for search engines, you'll need to give ChatGPT some specific instructions. First, tell it to create a catchy, SEO-friendly blog title based on the article it's rewriting. Then ask it to rewrite the article in a clear, well-structured format with headings and subheadings. You can also set a word limit, like 1,000 words, to keep the posts detailed but not overwhelming. Step 4. Set up a WordPress website. Once ChatGPT has rewritten the article, the next step is to publish it on your blog. For that, we'll need a WordPress site. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to set one up. Start by choosing a hosting provider like Hostinger. It's affordable, reliable, and beginner-friendly. Sign up for a hosting plan, and during the process, you'll also register your domain name. Pick something simple and relevant, like Healthy Living Hub. Once you've got your hosting set up, install WordPress. Most hosting providers make this super easy with one-click installation. Now log into your WordPress dashboard. You'll need to install a plugin called Make Connector. This plugin links your WordPress site to make.com. To install it, go to the Plugins section in WordPress, click Add New, and search for Make Connector. Once it's installed, activate it and go to the settings to generate an API key. Copy this key and go back to make.com. Add a WordPress module to your scenario and use the API key to connect your site. Then configure the module to pull blog titles and content from the automation. And also configure it to post articles as drafts for review. This way you can review and tweak them before publishing. At this point, your system is fully set up. It pulls articles from Google News, rewrites them into unique blog posts using ChatGPT, and sends them to your WordPress site. But a blog isn't going to make money if no one visits it, so let's talk about monetization and traffic. Step 5. Publish and monetize your blog posts. One of the simplest and most common ways to earn money from your blog is with ads. Here's how it works. You sign up for AdSense and they'll give you a bit of code to add to your site. Once it's set up, ads will automatically show up on your blog. And every time someone clicks on one, you get paid. It's not going to make you rich right away, but it's a great way to start earning while you grow your traffic. Then there's affiliate marketing. This is when you recommend products or services on your blog. And if someone buys through your unique link, you earn a commission. For example, if you're writing about top 10 at-home fitness gadgets, you could include links to those gadgets on sites like Amazon or other retailers. When someone clicks through your blog and makes a purchase, you get a cut of the sale. To get started with affiliate marketing, you'll want to sign up for affiliate programs. Amazon Associates is an easy one for beginners, but there are also platforms like Impact, CJ Affiliates, and Share a Sale, where you can find products that are more specific to your niche. The key here is to only recommend products you genuinely believe in or think your audience will find useful. If you promote random junk just to make a sale, people will catch on, and it'll hurt your credibility, and if your readers don't trust you, they're not going to buy anything you recommend. Another way to make money once your blog starts gaining some traction is through sponsorships. This is when brands pay you to promote their products or services directly. Let's say your health blog starts getting 20,000 visitors a month. You can reach out to companies that sell related products like protein powders, share your stats, explain why you're a good fit, and ask for sponsorship. They might pay you to write a blog post featuring their product, or they could sponsor a series of posts about workout tips. Sponsorships can be super profitable because brands are usually willing to pay more for this kind of direct exposure. This might all seem like a lot right now, but trust me, it gets easier once you get started. You don't need to be an expert or spend hours every day working on this. Just take it step by step, keep learning as you go, and before you know it, you'll have a blog that not only runs itself but also pays the bills. If you have any questions or want to get into even more specifics, click the link in the description to join our free school community. Inside YouTube Profit Academy, we share exclusive tips and updates on content creation, YouTube automation, affiliate marketing, running online businesses, and much more. It's completely free, so be sure to join using the link in the description, and I'll see you inside. What will your blog be about? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.